Have you ever been stuck in a tight parking spot, wishing your car could just teleport out? Well, Geely might have just invented the next best thing. Forget everything you know about parallel parking, because the future of urban driving is looking seriously wild. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking piece of automotive tech that could change the way we maneuver our cars forever. Chinese automaker Geely just dropped a video showcasing a prototype of their EX5 electric crossover. And it's doing things that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking 90-degree steering on all four wheels. This isn't just a gimmick. Geely has developed a new driving unit with electric motors integrated directly into the wheels. This allows each wheel to steer independently, all the way up to a full 90 degrees. So, what does this actually mean for the driver? First up, the party trick that's got everyone talking, the ability to turn on the spot. Imagine pulling into a dead-end street and needing to turn around. Instead of a painstaking 3-point turn, or even a 5 or 6-point turn, the EX5 can simply pirouette in place. The front and rear wheels turn in opposite directions, and the car spins like a top. This feature alone is a game changer for navigating tight city streets and crowded parking lots. But it gets even better. The video shows the EX5 effortlessly sliding sideways into a parking space that would be impossible for a conventional car. The wheels turn 90 degrees, and the car just crabs its way into the spot. No more back and forth, no more worrying about scraping the cars next to you. Leaving the spot is just as easy. It just slides right back out. This is what we call omnidirectional driving, and it's absolutely mesmerizing to watch. Geely is calling this the crab driving mode, a feature we've seen teased by other manufacturers like Hummer. But Geely's implementation with a full 90-degree turn takes it to a whole new level. The front and rear axles can even turn and drive in completely independent directions. Think about the possibilities for avoiding obstacles or making precise adjustments without moving the whole car forward or backward. Beyond the cool parking tricks, Geely claims this technology has significant safety benefits. They say the independent wheel control massively improves stability, especially on slippery roads or in strong crosswinds. The system can instantly counteract forces that might otherwise cause a car to lose traction or veer off course. This could make driving in bad weather much safer and less stressful. Now, how do you control all this advanced maneuvering? Initially, Geely demonstrated the system using a special glove, almost like a gesture-controlled remote. It looks incredibly futuristic, but they've already stated the plan is to integrate this control into something we all carry, a smartphone or a smartwatch. Imagine standing outside your car and, with a few swipes on your watch, guiding it perfectly into that last tight spot in the garage. It's personal valet service powered by your own tech. So let's take a closer look at the car itself. The prototype is a Geely EX5, an all-electric crossover that's a key part of the company's global strategy. In China, you might know it as the Geely Galaxy E5. It's built on their new GA modular architecture. For those who love the specs, it measures around 4.6 meters long and has a wheelbase of 2.75 meters, putting it squarely in the popular compact crossover segment. The standard EX5, without this crazy new tech, comes with a single electric motor on the front axle, producing about 215 horsepower. It's powered by a 60.2 kilowatt-hour battery, which gives it a respectable range of around 430 kilometers, or 267 miles under WLTP testing. It is also worth noting that this car is being rebadged and sold by the Malaysian automaker Proton as the Proton EMA 7. So this platform has a truly international footprint. But let's get back to the prototype. While this 90-degree steering is undeniably cool, we have to talk about the potential drawbacks. If you look closely at the video, you'll notice that the rear wheel arches on the prototype seem unusually large and flared out. To allow a wheel to turn a full 90 degrees, you need a lot of clearance. This modification could come at a cost, potentially eating into the car's interior space, especially trunk capacity or rear passenger legroom. In the video, all the windows of the EX5 prototype are heavily tinted, so we can't see inside. It's very possible that to fit this new hardware, Geely had to remove the rear seats entirely for this proof of concept vehicle. So, the big question is, when can we get our hands on this? As of right now, Geely hasn't given the timeline for when this 90-degree steering technology will be available on their production EVs. This is still very much in the development and demonstration phase. It's one thing to build a working prototype, but it's another to make it durable, reliable, and cost-effective enough for millions of cars. The suspension system would also need to be completely redesigned to handle these extreme movements. It's a massive engineering challenge, but the potential payoff is huge. Let's put this into a broader context. We are seeing a revolution in vehicle dynamics driven by electrification. With traditional internal combustion engines, you have a big, heavy engine up front connected to the wheels through a complex series of shafts and differentials. Electric vehicles, especially with in-wheel motors, throw that entire rulebook out the window. They open up a design freedom that engineers from 20 years ago could only dream of. This Geely prototype is a perfect example of that. It's not just an improvement on an old idea. It's a fundamental rethinking of how a car should move. While Geely is making headlines now, they aren't the only ones exploring this space. Other companies are also working on advanced steering and propulsion systems. However, Geely's demonstration of a full 90-degree capability on a mainstream crossover model is a significant step forward, and really brings this futuristic concept closer to reality for the average consumer. Imagine the benefits not just for personal cars, but for delivery vehicles, taxis, and ride-sharing services in dense urban centers. The time saved by not having to hunt for a suitable parking space or perform multi-point turns could add up to significant efficiency gains across a whole fleet. It could also make driving more accessible for people who find parking and tight maneuvers to be a major source of anxiety. Of course, we need to remain realistic. The first generation of this technology, whenever it arrives, will likely be a premium feature on higher-end models. The cost of those 4 independent drive and steering units will be substantial. But like all automotive technology, from airbags to anti-lock brakes, costs come down over time as the tech matures and production scales up. What seems like a luxury today could become a standard feature a decade from now. So, what are your thoughts? Is this 90-degree steering the future of driving? Or is it an overly complex gimmick that won't be practical in the real world? Would you pay extra for a car that could park itself sideways? Let me know what you think down in the comments section. I'm really curious to hear your take on this incredible piece of engineering. Geely has certainly thrown down the gauntlet with the EX5 prototype. It is a bold statement about their technological ambitions and a tantalizing glimpse into a future where our cars are smarter, more agile, and far more capable than ever before. We'll be keeping a very close eye on this story, and we'll bring you any updates as soon as they re-released. That's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this look into the future of automotive tech, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest news from the world of cars, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.